Hi, today is Wednesday and we are going to do lesson 17 in math. So for your math lesson today, you will need your pages from your book. So you have an application page, you have a practice page, and you have this template, which is a 5 group. We call this the 5 group. And if you want to put it in your dry erase mat so it's a little sturdier, you can do that to use for today. And you're also going to need 6 cubes, okay? So 6 linking cubes from your work mat and your template and your pages, okay? So we're going to start with doing some counting. We're going to do sunrise and sunset to 10, okay? Here we go. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we're going to come back down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we can stand up and go down when we're counting forwards and backwards. So for your application problem, I'm not going to do that one with you today, but it says, finish this sentence, I could eat 5. And so you're going to draw something that you can eat 5 of on there, okay? All right, so today I'm going to use the computer for mine. And so we're going to talk a little bit about some words that we're going to use in the lesson, and then you'll do the lesson with me, okay? So we have the word row, and the word row means that things go across the page or across your work mat. So like this is in a row, okay? So rows go across. And then we have, whoops, skipped one. We have a column, and columns go up and down. So a column goes up and down, and a row goes across, okay? So this would be in the column way, this would be in the row way, and we'll be using those words in our lesson today, okay? So which one would be, it says to draw a red circle around the set of cubes in a row. So if we wanted to draw a circle, we need the one in a row. Remember, row goes across, so we're going to draw a red circle around the one that goes across. And it says draw a circle around the cubes that go in a column with green, and we're going to go this way. Good job, okay? All right. So now you're going to get out just a plain piece of paper or the back side of your template or your dry erase mat, and you're going to, this is my work mat here, and I want you to put 4 cubes on your work mat. So you're going to use cubes. I'm going to use this 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I forgot to tell you that we're also going to be using our number cards today. So I put 4 cubes on the work mat, and I want you to, I want you to find the number card that has 4. And I just have some numbers up here. So I'm gonna look for my number 4 while you look for your number 4. And you're going to, oh, it doesn't want to move. It went in the back. It needs to go in the front. There we go. Okay, so find your number 4. All right. Did everybody do that? Okay, now let's take another cube out. Or let's take these cubes and we're going to put them in 2 columns. Oops. So we have 1 column here, and we can make another column of 2. So we have 2 columns, and that is 4. All right. We could also we're going to add another cube. And now we have how many That's right, we have 5. Whoop, that one went behind too. There we go. And you find the number 5, okay? All right, so now we're going to use that special template that has dots on it. How many dots do you think are across the top? That's right, there's 5. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many do you think are across the bottom? And count yours for me. That's right, we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna make our paper go in the row way, so the dots are going across the page instead of up and down, okay? So we have 2 rows of 5. And I would like for you to put your cubes on your work mat, okay? So we're going to take and put 5 cubes on our work mat. So we're just gonna cover up the dots. And we're gonna start on the left, and we're gonna fill it up going from left to right. And then, so we're gonna do 5, 2, 3, and you're doing this with your cubes at home, 4, 5, okay? And now we're going to add 1 more. So if we had 5, and we're gonna add 1 more, how many does that make? That's right, it makes 6. So we are gonna add 6. Where do you think that next cube is going to go? Right? Do you think it's gonna go on one of the dots at the bottom? You would be right. Well, which dot? Are we gonna put it in the middle? Are we gonna put it on the right? Are we gonna come down here? No, we're gonna put it on the left, just like if we were reading a book, we read from left to right when we read, and we're also going to fill in our 5 group frame from left to right, and then number 6 goes down here. So when we count it, we know this one's full. We can say 5, and 1 more is 6. That's called counting on. Remember, we practiced that the other day. So we want to keep practicing our counting on strategy for counting things. If we know we have 5, we don't have to recount them, do we? Because I didn't add any, I didn't take any away. So we have 5, and then 1 more makes 6. Good job. Okay, I could take these 5 cubes and I could, or 6, I'm sorry. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna turn it so my paper is vertical now, or in a column. Oh no, oh, my dots didn't go with it. Oh no. Let's see, let's lock everything in place. See if we can get that to lock. Let's see, where is that? Lock in place. Oh, but now it won't let me turn it. Oh goodness, well you can turn yours. And when you turn it, you still have how many? You have 6, right? Because you didn't take any away, I still have 6 cubes on there. I didn't add any cubes to my work mat, so the number stays the same. Okay, so now today, I want you to practice your paper here. You're gonna count how many, but you're gonna draw 1 more. So if there's 2, you're gonna add 1 more and say how many and put it in the box, okay? So we're gonna count on. So we say 2, and then the next number would be 3. All right, so you're gonna do that page, and I will see you tomorrow.